You like honey, right? And a little heat? Wonderful. Then we can dive into this episode that's all about the original hot honey, Mike's Hot Honey. Back in the early 2000s, Mike Kurtz took a trip to explore Brazil with some friends. While he was there, he came across a pizzeria that was serving chili pepper infused honey drizzled on pizza. That was the spark to the flame for Mike. Upon returning home to the States, and while pursuing a career in the music industry, he hobbied with honey and chili pepper infusions. Shortly thereafter, he found himself in New York, working part-time at a pizzeria, learning the ropes of crafting the perfect pie. While working there, he brought in some of his chili pepper honey for his boss to try. The boss loved it, so it became a pizza condiment at the pizzeria, and quickly grew in popularity. Mike began selling bottles of it from the restaurant, initially from the back dock, till an artist friend of his helped him out with a professional-looking label, which he then started selling from the bar top. This was the beginning of the Mike's Hot Honey revolution that has led to over $40 million in hot honey sales and paved the way for the hot honey condiment category. Mike's Hot Honey is as pure as it gets. 100% honey, sourced locally when possible, real chili peppers, and vinegar. That's it. What are all the ways you can enjoy Mike's Hot Honey? Mike suggests a bowl of Greek yogurt adorned with a delightful drizzle of his hot honey, accompanied by a medley of fresh fruits like peaches, strawberries, and blueberries, along with a generous sprinkle of granola. The combination of the sweet and spicy notes creates a uniquely delicious experience. But don't stop there with your enjoyment. Try it mixed into a cocktail, over pizza like it was originally discovered and enjoyed, or on fried chicken, cheese, ice cream, and wherever heat and sweetness complement your dish. Well, there you have it, the inspiring story of the #1 hot honey in the country, which is sure to not only be a great gift for your fellow foodie, but also just a fun condiment to experiment with. Who knows? You might be so inspired to create your own concoction. Thanks for watching. Till next time, my friends, stay saucy.